And it's a rainy, disgusting, and horrible day. Work today, but this is Brownsville, you guys. Look at all the damn trash. But this is where I work at, so. And it's a rainy, disgusting, and horrible day. What's up, guys? So I am just at work. Check out my outfit, it's so cute. It's all from Walmart. I'm gonna be doing a Walmart haul soon. These houndstooth pants are so cute. And this mock neck top is so cute as well. Just have my hair like a bun. And it's a rainy, disgusting, cold, windy day today. So yeah, I just wanted to check in. All right, guys, so I'm finally off work. It's been a fairly annoying day, as usual. Been very much a Monday. And I'm missing the fucking train right now. Missing the train. Good news is the L comes pretty frequently, so that's okay. But yeah, I'm headed home. I think I'm gonna stop by Family Dollar to get like toilet paper and shit. And I think I'm looking for a curtain rod too, so yeah. I will update you guys. Train coming.
This is a Manhattan-bound J local train. The next stop is Chelsea.
Okay, so I just got home from the grocery store. I think I'm gonna try to make, I have leftover jerk chicken. So I'm trying to make like jerk chicken fried rice. I got some plantain to go on the side, cabbage thawing out, green onions, mushrooms, a few shallots, and I'm about to drink the rest of this wine. Cabernet. I'm such a red wine girl. What is y'all's favorite wine to drink? I'm just gonna kill it. All right, so what's good, guys? I'm in my bedroom, which is really coming together. It's almost like exactly where I want it to be. But I'm about to hang up some curtains. I'm about to do like a little curtain hack. If you don't want to like use screws and all this stuff, like this is great if you live in like a dorm room or just like a temporary space. So I got this really super cheap curtain rod from Family Dollar. It costs like $3.50. This is the key. You need command hooks. So I got 2 of these. And I have this little sheer white window panel. As you guys probably know, I don't know, you might not know, this is not a real window. So this literally just looks into my neighbor's kitchen, and it's like a tube, so it's not like any real source of light that gets in here. But since we have a window, we're just gonna make it look cute since we have it. I done dropped one. Okay. I'm gonna go like right like right above this thing. So hope we get the placement decently. Hopefully these are even. Boom, perfect. Perfect, perfect, perfect. I was kind of thinking maybe I could do like a loop so that it's like that. Yeah, that looks really cute. I'm gonna try to do one of those little things where you tie it over the side like I was just explaining. I got some rope and I got this little hook. And we're gonna try to, you know, rig it up, make it do what it do. Hey guys, so here's what the finished product looks like. I think it looks really, really pretty. My little nook is super cute. And here's my beautiful sign, WavySpiceTV. I'm just loving the way my room is coming together. It looks super cute. TV up there. Boom, boom, boom. Desk. My stuff is really coming together. I'm really loving it. I can't wait to get wall art up here. Turning off my pan right now because it got a little rusty. But if you didn't know, like a cast iron skillet never fucks up. Even if it gets rusty, you can just burn it off. But yeah, these are my ingredients. I love making fried rice because you pretty much just get everything that you have out of your fridge and use it up. So I had some frozen cabbage that I had right here. This is the jerk chicken that I had last night and the leftover rice. I have this old ass pepper, 2 shallots, green onion, carrot, and mushroom. And yeah, I wish I had some corn, but this will do. That's it there. Got the eggs right here, rice, my veggies, chicken, and just have these 2 things left. So I already started eating a little bit. The rice is so good, and I got some little plantains over here on the side. And they're like not too sweet. I wish they was a little sweeter, but they still taste really good. So yeah, this is it, guys. So I'm actually gonna start off by lighting a candle. This is something that you can always do with any of your rituals. There's my sage, Palo Santos, and 1 stone that I have. So I'm actually cleaning up here. Having a tidy home during this time is really important. So I'm just tidying up my room, putting away clothes. I had already cleaned a little, so it's not too bad in that respect. But I'm still just gonna take care of some little things. Here, I'm just gonna go ahead and light my Palo Santo, which is really awesome for just purification, house cleansing. It really is gonna like clear negative energy and restore tranquility and calmness. So I love burning this. I also adore the smell, as you can see. And here I'm just praying and manifesting. Here is an affirmation that is really awesome that I saw online. I'm just writing out lists. Lists are super important. Really just set intention for the upcoming month. Some things that I want to improve in my life have to do with work, YouTube, and fitness/health. That is really it, guys. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.